Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix Minecraft launcher couldn't load launcher core error on Windows. Method 1. Repair and reset Minecraft or Minecraft launcher. Open Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Minecraft or Minecraft launcher. Click on 3 dots, then select Advanced Options. Click on Repair button. Click on Reset button. Once done, relaunching Minecraft and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Delete the version file. If you are launching Minecraft from Xbox app, please close Xbox app. After that, press Windows key R, then type %appdata% and hit enter. Now, click on App Data. Open Local folder. Open Packages folder. Open Microsoft folder. This directory must match the name of the directory shown in the error message. Open Local Cache folder. Open Local folder. Open Game folder. Here, select launcher.dll file, and press Delete on your keyboard. Wait a few moments, and press Ctrl-Z to restore the file. Finally, delete the .version file, and the launcher should work again. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. Open Settings. Select Apps. Select Installed Apps. Scroll down and you will see Minecraft. Click on 3 dots, then select Uninstall. Restart your PC, then open Microsoft Store or Xbox app to download and reinstall Minecraft. That's it guys. Hope this is useful.